there is this character trait among our Muslim brothers against their Christian brothers. They don't have regard for them. It's like it's in their DNA all over the world, though, not just in Nigeria. And that is why when people say Donald Trump is, there was a time he placed a travel ban on some Arab and Muslim nations from coming into America. It is because of this type of behavior. I don't know why the Muslim or Islamic world think that it is only them that God created, that others does not need to exist. You can see it. In Sokoro, a man who claimed to be a Muslim cleric woke up one morning and declared that Tinubu's wife, Oluremi, should be killed because she's an infidel. She's a Christian and she's the leader of infidel. That God told him to kill her. And nobody uttered a word. Nobody said anything. All because the woman is a Christian. All along, these people that are being slaughtered, go and check. They are mostly Christians. I said mostly, I think 90% of those people are Christians. What does that tell you? But let one Muslim die over here, you will see. In fact, it looks like the world is coming to an end. What does that is their character. They believe that they are the superior human being. And that was the same thing that caused problem in Germany. When Hitler woke up and said that the German race are the main race, they are the superior race, if not that the Allied forces came together, that man would have colonized the whole world. So you can see this type of behavior happening time and time with our Muslim brothers in Nigeria. They don't believe that Christians are human beings. I don't know why. They believe that religion is superior. They believe that they are more superior human beings. They believe that everything they do is, in fact, they are the only one who knows about God. So how do you live with such a person?
Okay. But now, Barrister, let's stay on the president's reaction. Now the president is scheduled to travel to Benue State tomorrow, to see what went down in Benue State. And yesterday, I think there was a statement that was issued yesterday, and it said, enough is enough. Does it look like when you say enough is enough, it also shows that, look, consistently you've been informed about what is going on. So why did we allow all of this to fester to the point where we now have to shout enough is enough?
No. This is the third time he's saying that word concerning Benue.
Okay.
This is the third time he's saying enough is enough concerning the massacre in Benue.
He never visited.
I never visited.
But he's visiting this time, so will it make a difference?
Even this one is an afterthought because Pope spoke from Rome.
Okay.
Pope spoke from Rome. That was when Tinubu remembered that people were killed in Benue. Can you tell me that if this massacre were to happen in Buhari's state in Katsina, that day Tinubu will not sleep? Even if it happened in the midnight, he will go there by 1 a.m. to go and see what he will not.
Does it look like the life of Benue people doesn't
I've just told you here, and it's an afterthought. You even said that the woman who was comparing a show told him that they should bear 1 minute silence. Why are you even saying it? Why are you saying that you are choosing the time, you are arranging, you are making arrangements when to go and see people that are being killed. People that voted for you, because I know most of them voted for him. So this will tell you what we have been talking about, that the problem of Nigeria is what? Religion, tribe, and ethnicity. If you remove these three things from our life, Nigeria will move forward. But you can see how the thing is dragging us backwards. Bisokro, you saw when 6 hunters were killed in Edo. You saw what happened. You saw the reaction. But now look at the massacre, and yet no northern leader, including Buhari, have uttered the word. Have uttered the word. And yet you people are telling us that we are one Nigeria. To make matters worse, Mr. Okoro, these people are not Nigeria. The people that are killing Nigerians are invited to come.
That's what the military authorities told us.
They told us it's not my word. They told us, and they were shameless to say it, that foreigners came here to kill Nigerians, and our military are telling us that.
This moment, nobody's career has been damaged.
Can you just imagine? No.
Asked questions.
The people they are killing are Christians. That's why it is not important.